It is 6:46 this Monday. You know, sounds like it's going to be a nice day today, moving into more normal weather after this, but
sure.
You know,
yeah,
enjoy the
Goldie
sun.
by played it right by I don't know if this was a planned day off or not, but if
It was,
then he planned it right.
Yeah.
Taking a 3-day weekend with you know, 70, 65, and now today like in the 70s.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll finish strong with this great stretch of weather. A couple of advisories, weather advisories in New England this morning. Some frost, isolated to scattered frost in the sheltered valleys through the foothills and mountains of Maine, New Hampshire, and the rest of northern New England. And then there's a fire weather watch in southern New England. It's bone dry, as you know, out there. And brush fire threats are running high, not only in southern New England, but here in northern New England, too, for Maine and New Hampshire. It's a cold start on this Monday morning. We have 35 in Gray. Lewiston, Auburn, at the airport in Auburn, it's just 33. Wiscasset's 37. We have 33 in Sanford and also 33 in Parsonsfield and around the freezing mark in the Saco River Valley right now for Freiburg. Eastern Maine, Wesley and Cherryfield are in the 30s. Orono's 39. Dover Foxcroft is 33. Elsewhere, we're starting to warm now that the sun is rising. Just some wispy clouds today. Other than that, we'll have sunshine as high pressure keeps nosing into New England with these warm temps. Tomorrow, though, this front will be coming down from the north. It's a true Arctic front, meaning the air mass behind it is going to be cold for this time of the year. We'll have below average temperatures for a couple of days, Wednesday, Thursday specifically. Clear, dry start for this Monday morning. The early morning chill gets erased fast. By midday, we're already approaching 70 in all spots, and we'll have mostly sunny skies. The wind is going to be active today, but it is an offshore breeze like we had this weekend, a land breeze. So that means the coastline warms up even more than the interior does. That's tough to do in the springtime. We usually get that chilly air coming in off of the ocean. Sun cloud blend at the end of the day. A shower risk for the Crown, but a lot of the places up here, a lot of the towns will stay dry and rain free. And again, the high brush fire threat through the afternoon with that breeze and the bone dry air. Mid 70s should be very common. That's the case in Bangor, Augusta, Lewiston, Portland, Wiscasset. Freiburg and Sanford, 75. Warm spot, probably Elliott, Berwick's, maybe Kittery. Seacoast, New Hampshire, about 76 degrees. Around 70 from Rockland through down East Maine, and upper 60s to around 70 from Aroostook County through the western Maine mountains. Tomorrow, the cold front passes in the afternoon. Preceding it, mild to start the day, the first half. And then the second half, we start cooling off as the wind shifts. We'll have a lot more cloud cover tomorrow and a strip of showers, which will tend to dry up as they sag south. But a lot of us will get a few raindrops in the afternoon. Not enough to really drench things, though. Behind it, we drop big time. Temps in the 50s on Wednesday and probably Thursday, too. And problems with frost. I think there's going to be a widespread frost Thursday morning. Hopefully you didn't do too much gardening, and if you put stuff in, it can handle a heavy frost, because that's probably what's going to happen on Thursday. But we'll have a lot of sunshine for the end of the week, and temps actually recover, especially away from the coastline. More of a sea breeze expected Friday and Saturday, but we'll see highs around 70. Here's the rain amount with the front. Up north, a couple of tenths of an inch of rain. That's decent. Elsewhere, paltry numbers. Not enough. Not enough. Marine forecast seas 2 to 3. West to southwest winds 15 to 25 knots. And there's small craft advisories up today. Sunshine warm, highs in the 70s. Tomorrow, increasing clouds, afternoon showers in the 60s. Then it's a chilly one on Wednesday in the 50s with a breeze, limited sunshine. It'll be partly sunny. Bright and sunny on Thursday, but that Thursday morning is going to be cold. 20s inland and frost possible even in the big cities and even along the coastline. In the afternoon, 70 away from the coast. Along the coast, it's in the 60s through Saturday. And then Sunday, we get another chance for rain. But there's a good stretch there Wednesday through Saturday with no rain at all. And if you have plans at all, your kids are fine. If they got games, maybe you got a couple of days off at the end of the week. It looks real good.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Sure.